Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another unboxing video. Let's get started. So this time I've got the parcel of mCaffeine. Um, there was an offer going on for buy two get three. Let's unbox with me. You guys must be thinking what is in my hands. It's actually Alta. We had a Bollywood themed lunch yesterday, which was 12th of uh, June. So I was playing as a character of Paro, hence all this altas in my hand. शायद मैंने उल्टा खोल दिया, बट क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इट्स फाइन. उल्टा हो सीधा हो खुल जाना चाहिए, राइट? Oh my god! So this is Super Glow Flash Facial Mask. I don't know how this will be. Let's open and see. Just give me a moment, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the pause. So, this is the Super Glow Flash Facial Mask with 25% AHA plus BHA plus PHA plus coffee extracts. Ta-da-da! This is buy two get three offer. I don't know. I don't think so. I got. Oh, why do I have only 4 items? What the fuck? Is that cute? Wow! Where is my 5th item? Whatever. I'll check with the mCaffeine customer care. But as of now, let's do the unboxing. Next, we will go with this Island Fresh Triple Action Deo Body Wash. It's nice. It's very nice. So this is Triple Action Deo Body Wash formulated with triethyl citrate to control body odor, perfumed with fresh fruity and musk fragrance. Plus, it has 5% niacinamide and brightens and even skin tones. Also, I've ordered the under eye patches. I heard it's very good from mCaffeine. Let's try it. लेकिन मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, इफ आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड buy two get three, where is my third order? Ooh. I cannot show you guys, but this is it. Because it has liquidy items in it. So it will fall down again. Few of them has already fall down. Thankfully I have wipes with me. The other one, the last package, which should not be the last I have here, is the ultimate, their new product. It's caramel eclairs coffee body scrub. Mm. It literally smells like caramel and coffee. It's nice. Can't wait to try it. बस आज के लिए इतना ही. But I'm really very much disappointed कि मुझे buy two get three में third product नहीं मिला मेरा. But thank you everyone for watching. Meet you on the next video. Bye bye.